So today I'm going to show you guys how I make chamoy gummy bears. I got all these ingredients at La Princesa Market, but you could basically get them at any Mexican Mercado. So first, you're going to want to get your gummy bears, cut them open. And I don't rip them open because you get gummy bears everywhere flying. And you want to separate them. Grab your chamoy. You add in as little or as much as you like. The choice is up to you. And then I'm going to grab my mango Lucas. When I was a kid, I would only eat baby Lucas, if you guys remember that, from the Paletero, the ice cream man. I always had to get baby Lucas. One time my family got me regular Lucas, and I freaked out and cried and told them, you guys only know I like baby Lucas. So you're gonna wanna mix it up. And then you keep adding, mixing as much as you like. Choice is yours. I'll show you guys what it's looking like in here. I'm gonna eat it with chopstick. Oh yes, I didn't break them this time. Get all the... So let's give it a try. Yummy. And that's how I make chamoy gummy bears. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe.